Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nasrul Amani bin Abdul. My number registration is 03DET19F1104. Today I would like to present about my security policy. Okay, first, introduction. A security policy is a formal statement of the rules that user must adhere to when accessing technology and information asset. Okay, and then it can be as simple as a acceptable use policy or can be several hundred pages in length and detail a varied aspect of user connectivity and network usage procedure. And then a security policy should be the central point of for how a network is secured, monitored, tested, and improved open. Okay, this is link for YouTube, and you can click this link to see the YouTube. Okay. Then something to include in a security policy is first identification and authentication. Second, password policies. Third, acceptable use policy. And number 4, remote access policy. Network maintenance procedure, and lastly, incident handling procedure. Identification and authentication policy. Okay, first, specific authorized person that can have access to the network research and verification procedure. And then this include physically access to wiring closet and critical network users. Okay. Firstly, security policy. Password policy. In point, ensure password meet minimum requirement and are changed regularly. And then acceptable use policy. Identify network application and usage that are acceptable remote. And then access policy identifies how remote user can access a network and what is accessible via remote and connectivity. Okay, and then network maintenance procedure, the specific network device operating system and user application update procedure. And then lastly, incident handling procedure, describe how security incident will be handled. Okay. Firstly, security tool. This is my picture for security testing tool for web application. Yeah. First, some of the security tool and application used in securing a network include: firstly, firewall, spam filter, anti-spyware, popular blocker, patches, and update. This is picture. If this picture of the firewall, this is spam filter, this is antivirus, this is a anti-spyware, pop-up blocker, and patches and update. Okay. On each of the following for the software patch and updates. And then virus protection. Virus protection software installed on an end user workstation or server to detect a remove virus worm and Trojan host from files and email. Spyware protection software installed on an in user workstation to detect and remove spyware and adware. And then spam blocker software installed on end user workstation or server to identify remove unwanted email. Pop-up blocker use workstation to prevent pop and unpop under advertisement window from displaying. Firewall, a security tool that control traffic to and from a network. Okay, and then updates and page. What's the meaning update and page? Okay, meaning update and page is one of the most common method that a hacker use to gain access to host and or network through software vulnerabilities. It is important to keep software application up to date with the latest security. And then page, a small piece of code that fits a specific problem. And then for the update include additional functionality to software package. Operating system. Operating system is such a Linux, Windows, etc. Okay. Fortunately, many operating systems offer an automatic update feature that allows OS is operating system and application update to be automatically downloaded and installed on a host. This is a picture update. Okay. This is how virus detecting this picture. Okay. Antivirus. Antivirus software can be used a both of preventative tool and predictive tool. Antivirus software should be installed on all computers to make and know what virus in laptop or network. Okay. Some of the signs that a virus one or Trojan host may be present include okay. Computer starting abnormally, program does not respond to mouse and keystrokes. Program starting or shutting down on their own. Email program begins sending out large quantities of email. CPU usage is very high. There are unidentifiable or large number of processes running. And lastly, computers slow down or crash. Okay, some of the features that can be included in antivirus program are firstly, email checking. Okay, you can scan in incoming and outgoing email and identify suspicious attachment. And second, Resident dynamic scanning. Check executable files and documents when they are accessed. Executed scan, virus scan can be secured to run and regular. And then automatic update. You can check for and download you can known virus characteristics and pattern. Okay, and then this is a anti-spyware. Anti-spyware is a can also cause virus-like symptoms in addition to collecting unauthorized information. They can use important computer resources and affect performance. Anti-spyware software and detect and delete spyware application as well as prevent future installation for obscuring. Okay. This many anti-spyware application also include detection and deletion of cookies and adware. Some antivirus package include anti-spyware functionality. The best practice. Okay. Define security policy and then physically secure and network equipment. Set login and file access permission. Update operating system and application to up to date. Okay. Change permissive default setting. Run antivirus and anti-spyware to check your computer and then update antivirus software files. Activate browser tool and pop-up stopper and anti-phishing plug-in monitor. And then lastly, use a firewall. Okay, and the summary network can be open to intrusion through vulnerability in software, hardware attack, or the weakness of individual. And then for the lastly, for my security policy is a effect and summary is effective network security is based on a variety of product and service combined with a thorough security policy. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.